This is footage of the Classic Festival 2018 at Lembeck Castle in Germany. Classic Festival at Lembeck Castle is an annual event. Don't miss it when visiting North Rhine-Westphalia. This year it was from the 20th to the 22nd of July. We could only visit the festival on July 21st. Unfortunately, we arrived too late. On Highway A43 was an accident and we had to take a long detour. Forget the good advice of many tutorials on YouTube. We couldn't shoot images and videos as we wanted. You probably know the recommendation of many tutorials how to make better photos and videos. Find the best position. At the Castle Lembeck there was only one really good location to take much better footage and still images. To use this site we were not equipped. To use the best position for your camera, you sometimes need a chainsaw and a metal saw. At the theoretically best viewpoint concealed on one side a tree the view, on the other side a traffic sign and its post. So we used the second best position. The best and second best position had the same disadvantage. A caravan of visitors left the festival. And in Germany it is always the same when you are making images and videos at events. When Germans see a photographer or filmmaker and his camera on the tripod they will pass in front of the camera. There can be a lot of space behind the camera and its operator to pass. Almost all Germans will pass in front, with few exceptions. If someone stops until you've made your picture or is passing behind you, say politely, "Dank wel," "Merci beaucoup" or "Thanks." It must be a Dutch, French or another foreign visitor on vacation in Germany. The next car coming is very rare. It is a DKW 36 Monza named after the world-famous Italian Grand Prix circuit. The car set 5 world records in 1956. It has a glass fiber reinforced polyester body and a 2-stroke 3-cylinder engine displacing 900 cc. The car goes up to 87 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 20 seconds. The number of produced Monzas isn't clear and about 70 to 80. Today, there may still be 50. This is clearly a Mercedes-Benz Tailfin, and this is an USC, unidentified sports car. We were not able to identify this car yet. Looks like a crossbreed between a Lancia and an US car. Please leave a comment if you know the brand and model. Setup for this video was a Fujifilm X-T20 mounted on a Manfrotto tripod CB055 from 1996 with 2D video head we've bought also in 1996. Carl operated this camera and used a handheld Fujifilm X30 for still images at the same time. The shutter noise of the X30 can be heard in the Ford and Chevrolet Super Sport footage. He panned the X-T20 simultaneous to the car movements nearly blind with his left hand and took still images at the same time with the X30 in his right hand. We will demonstrate how you can do this trick later in another video. At this event I couldn't film how he did it. I took photos of cars parking behind the bushes at the same time, and later I got drinks for us on this hot day.